Welcome to JavaFrm. Now I am going to show you how to install Oracle JDK 21 long-term support edition on Windows 11 operating system. So here you can see that I have already downloaded Oracle JDK 21 from Oracle website as a zip archive file, Windows zip archive file. Okay, so I am going to extract the zip archive to one directory. So I am going to extract the content to F:. So I am renaming the extracted directory. So I am giving the simple name JDK-21. So this is the directory structure of Oracle JDK-21. So directory structure will be same like Open JDK. So bin directory contains executables, and this is the conf directory. So include directory. Jmods directory contains all the modules, Java modules, that is all the Java packages necessary for development. So it's a release file. So you can see the release file and check the implementer, that is vendor version, vendor everything, vendor name, details, everything. Okay, now I am going to set the Java_home environment variable for Oracle JDK 21. So go to this PC, right click this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. So two types of variables there, user variable and system variables. Under system variables I am creating the environment variable Java_home, because whoever log into this machine can run the Oracle JDK 21 commands. For that reason only I am creating the Java_home under system variables. So I have successfully created the Java_home environment variable. Now I am going to add the Oracle JDK 21 bin directory to the Windows path variable, so that all the Oracle JDK 21 commands will be available in the Windows command line. Okay, so I have successfully added the bin directory, Oracle JDK 21 bin directory. Now I am going to run the commands. Yes, I can able to run the Oracle JDK 21 commands. So you can see the message here, which means that Oracle JDK 21 installation on Windows 11 is successful. So you can try other commands also. Okay, so installation is fine. Now I am going to show you how to compile simple Java module program. Here you can see that modules directory contain src and classes folder. Under src you can see the two modules, print module and message module. Message modules contain module-info.java, which is a mandatory file for a module program. Okay, so this is the details. Exports com.javafrm, which means that it contains com.javafrm package and it will be accessible to other modules. So this is a message.java, which contains print message, which contains a method print message. It will simply return the welcome string. Make sure that the class file name also public and method name also public, then only you can access this method in other modules. Okay, now I am going to show the print module. So print module also contains module-info.java. Okay, let me open the module-info.java, which is a mandatory file for a Java module. It requires message modules. You can see the syntax requires message module, which means that print module will be calling the message module. So print module contains org.javafrm package, contains HelloWorld.java. Okay, so here you can see that I am calling com.javafrm message class, and here I am calling the message class and calling the method print message. So HelloWorld.java contains public static void main method. So this is the main class. Okay, now I am going to show you how to compile these two modules. Okay, first I am going to show you how to compile the message module. So this is the destination path, that is where it is going to store the class file. Okay, here only it is going to store the class files. Then module source path. Okay, so I compiled the message module successfully. You can see the class files are generated successfully. Okay, now I am going to show you how to compile print module. So same syntax only, just I am changing the module name. Same syntax only, just changing the module name. Yes, print module compiled successfully. So before you run the Java module program, make sure that all the necessary class files are compiled, okay, and class files are generated. Okay, now I am going to run the print module. Okay, print module hello world class. So hello world class contains the public static void main method. So HelloWorld.java is the main class file. So this is the syntax. Okay, Java module path classes directory. So here only all the class files are stored on module. So I am going to run the print module. Under print module I am going to run the HelloWorld.java, which contains the main method. Yes, I can able to print the message from message module. So this is the way we need to compile and run the Java module program in Oracle JDK 21.